What is up, everybody? Video Addict here, and I've got Alpha Outpost. Alright, Alpha Outpost. Alpha Outpost. I've been thinking on the last couple of months that I've been getting, and I don't think it's been bad. I think that we're in, you know, they got new owners. They're no longer owned by Grunt Style or no longer affiliated with Grunt Style. So, you know, I was hoping that that would mean that they might do something a little bit different. And they have yet to do that. I am the biggest gripe, and everybody's biggest gripe, is it's not, you're not getting anything name brand, and all you're getting is Alpha Outpost branded stuff. It's like that stuff that, you know, you go to like I used to go to trade shows where you go for all the swag, you know, for your business. Like, you go and you look and they're like, oh, we got these portfolios, we got these calendars, we got these ink pens, we got these, you know, different stuff, and, you know, hats and all this different things that you can buy and you order in bulk and you have your name plastered on it, you know, and you give them out as gifts and stuff. And that's what a lot of it reminds me of. That's not a negative per se, because I've taken a lot of that stuff and I've kind of enjoyed some of it. So it is what it is. I just think that the thing that would best serve Alpha Outpost would be to find a way to put something in it that's name brand, not Alpha Outpost brand, and up the value a little bit more. They didn't ask me for my opinion, so whatever. But I also told them whenever they started sending me boxes that that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give an honest opinion. That's me. You all know it. I'm going to give you my honest opinion, and that's it. I'm not saying that all their stuff has been great that I've received, but I haven't like hated anything, or I haven't disliked it. I might just be kind of like meh about it, but it's what it is. All right, open up the box. This is what you're gonna see. Ooh. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost versus your car. Alright, so we got a nice big card, and it's front and back, so I am going to scan both sides, and here you go. Chestnuts is the theme. Okay. First up in the box is a little beanie, a Grunt Style beanie. I mean, they just said they weren't affiliated with Grunt Style no more, and the first thing they do is send out a Grunt Style thing. I just talked about about sending out something name brand, and then they send Grunt Style. Not that it's really name brand, but it's a better brand than what I'm normally expecting. This is a patch beanie. So, you got your little spot here for a patch, and perfect time for the Squirrel Nuts patch. It says Chestnuts on it. This is a funny patch, okay? But they still had to put that damn Alpha Outpost emblem right there. Why? No! First off, it doesn't, like, if you look at it from here, you can't even hardly see that. So you're not doing it for other people to say, ooh, that's an Alpha Outpost thing. No, because you can barely tell it. Why even put it on there at all? Don't make no sense. I got nuts on my forehead. Better than on my chin. Is that like even remotely close? Oh, I just stuck it on What am I looking at? Alright. So this don't actually tell you anything about what's in your box. It just tells you about like how to make chestnuts, how to roast chestnuts, I guess, and how to make hot cocoa with marshmallows, how to winterize your tires. I don't get the card. It has nothing to do with the box. So anyway, we're gonna move on. I have a Nutcracker. I actually like this. This is actually pretty cool. I've never had a chestnut cracker, but I mean you can put multiple different sizes in there, you know, and crack nuts. That's actually really cool. I like that. Stealth cam, wireless camera. All right, next up in the box is going to be an Alpha Outpost scarf. If you're going to send a grunt style beanie, send a grunt style scarf. It's actually super nice. It's actually super soft and everything. You got your little Alpha Outpost here. Cashmere. No wonder it's soft. That's nice. That's very nice. Okay. Alright. I just got through talking a bunch of smack about them, and now they're going to do something nice here. Alright. I want to use this last. And next up, you're going to have a tactical stocking. You know how much I want one of these? I've wanted one of these for so long. And now I have it. It has an Alpha Outpost tag on it, but it's not super branded. Good job, Alpha Outpost. Thanks for listening to me 5 minutes ago. Great job. Very cool, man. That can be like your money pouch. Like, put some stuff down here. Put candy in here, and then put money in the front pouch. Hang some knives in here. Don't put a tactical ink pen in here because don't nobody want that. It's kind of like black licorice. Nobody wants it. Or what's that thing they do? Fruitcake. Nobody wants it. This is awesome, and I am super pumped to have this. I'm gonna hang it up. I need to get a video addict little patch. That way I can put this on here, and that way Santa would know that this was mine. That's cool, because I wanted one of those. Sweet. Let me get you out of the way. I'm having a good box right now. Holy crap. I'm super excited. Next up is goggles. Alpha Outpost brand goggles. We got a yellow lens in here as well. Ooh. Well, they're not mirrored, but they're nice. I am one cool looking dude right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. I can't. I keep looking at my phone like I'll be able to tell what I look like, but my phone is just showing me what you're looking at. So I look over here and I can't see myself looking. I don't know. How do I look? Yep, you tell me. Pretty excited about this. You can change out to the yellow lens for like if you're out in a windy situation doing some shooting. This would be a good idea. You just change this out and you don't got to worry about wind and dust and everything flying into your eyes. Very, very cool. I like that a lot, actually. I'll put that back in this little bag. Goggles! I feel like I'm that special kid that just kind of like needs a helmet. That's what I feel like right now. Alright, last but not least, we have a face shield. Also, get a little tag out for Outpost, but there's nothing on here that's going to be like whatever. This says exports. It don't turn or nothing. It's just a piece of rubber, and that's it. So, very cool. See what we got here. I got a big noggin. My glasses are fogging up. I'm not supposed to fog up my glasses. The nose hole is not big enough for my nose. I got a big nose, in case y'all haven't noticed at this point. But it will keep the wind off my face. So, I ain't mad at it. I got a Nutcracker. I got a tactical stocking. I got goggles. I got a patch hat. Got a squirrel nut patch. Got a cool cashmere scarf. I ain't never had a cashmere scarf in my life. There you go. That's what you gotta do. Alright. I'm gonna go jump on my motorcycle and crack nuts. Well, I love the tactical stocking. I love it. I love it a lot. Quick access. They put some Velcro in there for the silk carry. Love it. I like it all. I like it all. Son of a biscuit. Anyway, that's it. That's all I got for you. Tell me what you liked. Tell me what you didn't in the comments below. Like, share, comment, all that fun stuff. And subscribe. I'm out.